taking the time to get your estate plan together can be very challenging. It means that you have to actually stop and think that you might not live forever, which you know, but having to sit down and put that on paper can be a challenge. You also have to take the time to decide who do you want to receive your property when you pass, and who is it that you want to make those decisions. So at Meredith Nagel PA, we pride ourselves on helping you through what can otherwise be a very difficult time. We do that by being extremely knowledgeable. I have personally written hundreds and hundreds of estate plans, from the very simplest to the most complex. And we stay up on all of the changes in law and do everything we can to know that we have the right knowledge set for you. The other thing that we do is we make sure that you have a good experience with our office. We'll give you a quick turnaround time, prices that are reasonable, and just a good interaction with me and my team. I personally meet with all the estate planning clients, so I'm looking forward to maybe meeting you in the future. But in the meantime, let's talk about a few questions that I'm commonly asked. First of all, I'm often asked, do I really need a will? The answer to that is yes. No matter how much you have or how much you think you'll have when you pass, you still need a will. This will is your opportunity to designate the people that will be receiving your property and the persons who will make sure that your wishes are carried out. If you die without a will, it is a judge who makes those decisions for you based on the law, and it's a much more complicated and expensive process for the folks who come behind you. Another question I'm often asked is, should I have a trust? Well, the answer to that question is not as simple as you might think. When I'm asked that question, I'll often say, well, why do you think you need a trust? And the answer will be, well, because my neighbor has one or my uncle has one. The thing about trusts is many attorneys are really happy to write them for you because they cost money, but they're not always necessary. So when we meet, we'll talk about whether you and your assets are in that class that does really need a trust. If you have, say, a lot of money, or you have a complicated plan on distribution of that money, those kind of factors we'll look at and decide together whether a trust is really in your best interest. The other documents that you have to have as part of your estate plan include the following. First of all, a power of attorney. This is crucial for you because this is the document that tells your bank, the government, anyone that you would normally deal with. It tells them who can communicate with and make decisions for you if you're not able to, if you're incapacitated in any way. This is a critical document that every person must have. You also want to look at a living will, which is a document that allows you to describe how you want your body to be treated if your soul's no longer there. Do you want life-prolonging procedures withheld or administered? Another document that's critical is what we call a healthcare surrogacy document. This is a document that designates the persons who can make your medical decisions for you when you are unable to do so. So the estate plan done well has some documents that will be for your use and protect you while you're alive, and then of course provide for division of your assets when you passed away. If you're interested, we offer a free consultation about all of these issues, and I would love to meet you. You can call us at 352-394-7408, or you can reach us on the web at mnagelaw.com. That's mnagelaw.com. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to meeting you.